Adventure is out there, and today my journey takes me to Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Follow along as I check out Christmas decorations, buy some holiday treats at the Gingerbread House, and watch the Magic Kingdom fireworks.
So every year they make this gingerbread house over at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. And there's a sign over here that tells you what the ingredients they use to make this. 1,000 pounds of honey. Wow, I can't even imagine that, you know?
Outside of the gingerbread house, they've posted the menu and also the hours that they operate. It looks like they're open daily from 9:30 in the morning till 9 o'clock at night. Which item was your favorite, or which would you like to try on your next visit? Leave me a comment and let me know. I picked out 3 different items from the gingerbread house, and I'll review them at the end of this video.
You have Anna, Elsa, and Olaf right there above the window. We also have the Hundred Acre Woods characters on this side, as well as Chip and Dale. It's really beautiful. So at the gingerbread house I was just showing, they sell a lot of different goodies. I decided to pick up a couple. This one here is the gingerbread whoopie pie. It's got the Grand Floridian logo on top of it there. I also picked out the brownie treat. Let's see if I can get in first. There we go. Jesse's more of a brownie person, so I figured I'd pick up this for him to try. And I'll definitely be trying it with him. And then I feel like I couldn't go to the Grand Floridian gingerbread house and not buy one of the shingles. Now this is one of the shingles that they use to actually decorate the top of the gingerbread house. It has a layer of honey. This one's actually made with honey and has dark chocolate on the back. I'm not going to try any of these right now. I'm going to try them with Jesse when I get back tonight. And I just want to make sure I show everybody some of the different items that you can get here.
Next, I walked over to the Grand Floridian Boat Dock to watch the fireworks show at the Magic Kingdom. The boat dock actually plays the same music that is played during the fireworks show, so this is a really great spot to watch the show. And if you're lucky, you can even see Tinkerbell fly. Directly following the fireworks show at the Grand Floridian, they show the Electrical Water Pageant right on the bay.
To everyone who's ever answered the call of this magical place, we thank you. It's been grand to have you. For 50 years, you have trusted us with your dreams, and tonight, we hope you feel them twinkling in your eyes, enduring like the sparkle of Disney's Electrical Water Pageant. From all of us to all of you here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, we bid you good night and hope you wake tomorrow to find your dreams are even brighter in the light of a new day.
Now it's time to try some of the treats that I got from the gingerbread house at the Grand Floridian. Full disclosure, yesterday when I got back, Jesse and I ate the brownie right away, and I didn't review the brownie on camera or anything, but the brownie was really good. The decorations looked really nice. It was kind of a crumbly brownie, if that makes sense. It wasn't too fudgy, but it was definitely nice and chocolatey and rich in flavor. I would recommend it if you like brownies, but I didn't think it was necessarily anything that like really wowed me, you know? But I still have two more things to review. So I have the Grand Floridian, there we go, gingerbread whoopie pie. And then I also have the gingerbread shingle. Let's try the whoopie pie first. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna see if you can see this. It actually has a gold dusting on it. Like that chocolate on the top there. Not sure if it's coming up or not, but it's got like a gold powdered look to it. It's really, really a beautiful, beautiful looking dessert. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna give it a try. This is really nice. Surprisingly, it's not overly sweet. I was thinking this was gonna be extremely sweet. It does have a nice light gingerbread flavor to it. Now I'm gonna take another bite.
The filling is not super dense, but it tastes really nice. I like it. It's really soft too, so the outside part of it is very, very soft. When you bite, it's really nice. It's a really nice dessert. I would order this again. I don't think I would necessarily order the brownie again so far from what we've tried. That's really nice. Oh, and then I guess I should try this chocolate piece as well. That's a really nice dark chocolate. This medallion on top, it's really nice. Honestly, if they were just selling chocolates, I'd buy this. Really good. Okay. So the next thing we'll try is the gingerbread shingle with dark chocolate. And something I do want to note that this says it on here. Let me see if it says it on here. Yeah. Made fresh by the Grand Floridian, both items. I think all items served there are made fresh by them. And something that was special about this gingerbread, opposed to the other gingerbread that they were selling there, is that this gingerbread is made with honey, while the other gingerbread is not. I guess American style gingerbread is not made with actual honey. So, okay, I'm gonna give it a try. We'll see. And this is what the back looks like. There's dark chocolate on the back. Let's see how that is. This is what it looks like out of the package. Okay, so I just took my first bite. This top part is soft, but not like not as soft as the whoopie pie top was. It's soft. It gives a little bit as you bite, as you press down on it, but it still holds its form. And the dark chocolate on the back is very good again. I'll take another bite. It's definitely, when I think of gingerbread, I tend to think of like gingerbread cookies, and gingerbread cookies tend to be hard, like harder when you like go to bite them and you eat them. This is definitely breadier, so this is like not like a gingerbread cookie texture, but definitely a gingerbread bready texture, if that makes sense. It's definitely on the drier side. It's not overly sweet by any means. I would say it's not very sweet really at all when I try it, but I have a sweet tooth, so you know, take that for what that is. I'm happy we tried it. I'm happy we tried the shingles that they also used to create the gingerbread house at the Grand Floridian. I think that's kind of fun. I'm not going to finish both of these right now, but I figured I'd do a quick review. My favorite item out of the three that I bought, between the Christmas tree brownie, the gingerbread whoopie pie, and then the gingerbread shingle, is definitely this whoopie pie. I really liked this. I would absolutely buy this again, for sure. Okay, so something I wanted to add to my review, because as I was, you know, stopped recording, and I was like, I'm gonna take a couple more bites of this whoopie pie. I want to share with you that the center, as I started eating more of it, the center actually has like kind of like a coffee flavor to it as well, almost like a gingerbread coffee flavored filling that's really light. Makes me like it even more, because I do like the taste of coffee. Now it's not overpowering, because you know, like I didn't really notice it in the first bite or two that I took, but as I went back and I took another bite or two after that, it does come through. It's really nice. It's a really nice flavor to pair with the gingerbread. So I didn't want to leave that out, because I really think it enhances the flavor. So there's that. Well, there you have it. I really enjoyed my visit to the Grand Floridian. I liked stopping by there for a couple hours just to experience some of the Christmas magic they have there. I highly recommend it if you're in the area. Stop by, visit the gingerbread house, buy some nice sweets. The tree there is beautiful, and I can't even explain the smell of the lobby there. You can smell the gingerbread, but then there's also these nice floral notes that are always at the Grand Floridian. It was really a nice stop, and I'm always happy to see some Magic Kingdom fireworks. And I hope you join me on my next journey. But until then, keep exploring. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons.